Well, good evening, everyone. Today we're going to make chicken and shrimp Alfredo. I have several ingredients here. I have my fettuccine, olive oil, tomatoes, whipping cream, low-fat milk, onions, chicken broth, my mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, my butter here, cream cheese, salt, parsley flakes, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, red wine, because I couldn't find white wine, lemon juice, some tomatoes, some John Soul's grilled chicken strips. I have 3 bags, which I may use another one, I don't know. And of course, I have here Italian herbs, lightly dried gourmet garden. So, ladies and gentlemen, before you even start, you should dice up your tomatoes, dice up your onion. I even had a little piece of a garlic clove. I diced that up as well. In my very first step, I put olive oil, water, and salt into a boil and let my water boil. Then I added my fettuccine, and after it boiled until it becomes soft, I drain and rinse and set it aside. Here in this pan, I put a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and I cheated a little bit because these shrimps are come pre-cooked. But I did move the little tails off of the shrimp as well. And I let it cook for maybe 1 or 2 minutes to warm it up. Here in this pan, I have my chicken, which I put salt and pepper and olive oil in here as well to warm it up because both my chicken and shrimp are already cooked. Now, here is my sauce. In here I have olive oil, parsley, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, butter, my seasonings, pepper, onion powder, a little bit of garlic, all the Italian herbs that I showed you in that cup, a little bit of tomatoes, butter, cream cheese, and I hope I didn't miss anything, and of course, a little bit of cooking wine. And I'm going to let this cook until my cheese has melted. Now to my cream, I've added my chicken and my shrimp, and I'm going to continue to let it simmer. And then lastly, I'm going to add my fettuccine. Now I'm adding my fettuccine, and I'm going to have to make sure that I mix this in well with the cream. I think I will add a little bit more Parmesan cheese and a few more seasoning, but I'm going to let this simmer and make sure that I coat it very well with the cream. I may add some more milk in here as well, but I think and very confident that this is going to be very good. Hope you're doing well during the pandemic. This has been a stressful time, and it most definitely is a time to cook nice home cooked meals from scratch for your families and loved ones. I'm going to take this to my boyfriend after I finish cooking. Hope you're doing well. Take care and God bless.